Happy holidays! Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen Adishia. Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. You. Today we're making cranberry juice, fresh cranberry juice from scratch. Let's start. Do you know you can also enjoy your cranberry fruits just like the way you enjoy your grapes and your strawberries? Cranberry juice I yet stores on say nani fruits nete. Nti say me the vinegar kakra hoho ho. Fe eyi bi afim. Me yiyim ne asay nyina me yiyi afim. Ye nti me ho kama. Na fe de. Nti cranberry no eno ni me the ginger account and I face a upai ma. Say neti. That's the inside of it. So now I'm gonna add water. You know what song so you're not fine. Yeah. You on sunny high. Make sure blend it in for the second time. Okay. So look at the juice. So vibrant. Beautiful color and healthy. Let me use honey. Tina hano. Say no me use honey. Bet me use sugar. You bet me sugar syrup. Just add water to sugar and just cook it to make syrup. Na me fi eyi na so kakra. Say me fi me drink wa she color no. Beautiful. Yeah, gonna healthy way. Yeah. Not fit. Was fine. Then you enjoy it. Just say no. Now me de make cranberry nuts. Yes, I'll say. What it's inside and so on. A wow drink. Yanisania ebono ma ho betso. Enjoy.
Sana mekosonom Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen na esias medjumedi we say ebremu abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye and same onwa enuane ahodo ene local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking ena oye enuane a wonti bidinda ena omonoa e page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu anasa onyanware ye eja esujani unyo obi be no aduane ama obetimi akọ on YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so obetimi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi e na ohia test no be reply ma kama na aduane kra pesa onu ano Gloria etimi aboa amoa no kama na yenkoi